Are you searching for a reliable online job? Imagine earning money while working from home. In Kenya, online work opportunities are growing. Today, I'll share 3 genuine jobs you can do. They all pay directly via M-Pesa and are HR verified. Let's dive in. First, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants help businesses with administration tasks. You can schedule appointments, respond to emails, and manage social media. Many companies look for remote assistants. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr list these jobs. Next, think about content writing. If you enjoy writing, this might be for you. Companies need articles, blogs, and marketing content. Create an account on platforms like Freelancer to find clients. Good writers can earn well. Lastly, explore online tutoring. If you excel in a subject, help students online. Use platforms like Preply or Tutor.com. You can teach anything from math to languages. Tutoring is flexible and pays via M-Pesa. These jobs offer flexibility and good pay. Remember, always choose HR-verified opportunities. Check reviews and feedback from others. In summary, you can become a virtual assistant, content writer, or online tutor. All these jobs pay through M-Pesa and are genuine. The work is flexible, allowing you to earn from anywhere. Ready to start your online job journey? Sign up on the mentioned platforms today. Unlock your potential and earn with ease.